Sleep is much more than just rest. During sleep, our brains are hard at work, consolidating memories and transferring them into long-term storage. Imagine our brains as gardens and the information we acquire as seeds. Sleep acts as the gardener, nurturing these seeds, ensuring they take root in our long-term memory. Without sleep, these seeds remain scattered and vulnerable, easily lost amidst daily distractions. Prioritizing sleep allows our brains to transform fleeting experiences into lasting memories. Throughout our waking hours, our senses are bombarded with information. This sensory data is initially encoded in a temporary holding area within our brains, much like a computer's RAM. During sleep, our brains transfer these temporary memories to more permanent storage regions, primarily the cortex. This process, known as memory consolidation, involves strengthening the neural connections associated with these memories. Imagine a group of people walking through a field, creating a faint path with each step. Memory consolidation is akin to paving this path, making it more durable and easier to navigate in the future. This overnight shift from temporary to long-term storage is essential for learning and cognitive function. Sleep is not a uniform state, but rather a dynamic cycle characterized by distinct stages, each playing a unique role in memory consolidation. Broadly categorized into two main types, rapid eye movement, REM, sleep, and non-REM sleep, these stages orchestrate a symphony of neural activity that strengthens and refines our memories. Non-REM sleep, further divided into three stages, lays the groundwork for memory consolidation. Stage 1 is a transitional phase between wakefulness and sleep. Stage 2, characterized by sleep spindles and K-complexes, represents a deeper sleep state where memories begin to be processed. Finally, Stage 3, or slow-wave sleep, features delta waves and is associated with the transfer of memories from the hippocampus to the cortex for long-term storage. REM sleep is crucial for consolidating procedural memories, such as learning a new skill or motor sequence. This intricate interplay between non-REM and REM sleep highlights the complexity of memory consolidation. Section 4. The hippocampus, where memories find their home. Nestled deep within the brain, the hippocampus plays a pivotal role in forming and consolidating declarative memories. Memories of facts, events, and personal experiences. Its importance became strikingly clear through the case of patient HM, who underwent surgery to treat severe epilepsy. Unfortunately, the surgery resulted in damage to H.M.'s hippocampus, leaving him with profound anterograde amnesia, an inability to form new declarative memories. While HM could recall events from his past, he was unable to remember new people he met, facts he learned, or experiences he had after the surgery. Despite this profound impairment, HM could still learn and retain new procedural memories. This dissociation between declarative and procedural memory provided compelling evidence for the hippocampus's specific role in forming declarative memories. The hippocampus acts as a temporary storage site for these memories, gradually transferring them to the cortex for long-term consolidation during sleep. Section 5. Emotions, stress, and the forgetting curve factors shaping our memories. Memory is not a static recording, but rather a dynamic and malleable process influenced by various factors, including emotions, stress, and the natural forgetting curve. Emotions, both positive and negative, can significantly impact memory formation and recall. Events that evoke strong emotional responses tend to be remembered more vividly and accurately than mundane experiences. However, while moderate stress can enhance memory, chronic or extreme stress can have detrimental effects. Prolonged periods of intense stress can lead to memory problems and cognitive impairment. Furthermore, our memories naturally fade over time if not actively recalled and reinforced. Sleep plays a crucial role in counteracting this forgetting curve by consolidating memories and making them more resistant to decay. Section 6. Optimizing memory through sleep. Practical tips for enhanced learning. Given the profound impact of sleep on memory consolidation, prioritizing sleep hygiene and incorporating sleep-friendly habits into our daily routines can significantly enhance our learning and cognitive performance. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up around the same time each day, even on weekends. to regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle and optimize sleep quality. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Engage in calming activities before bed, such as taking a warm bath, reading, or listening to soothing music to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Optimize your sleep environment. Ensure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet, and invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows to create an ideal sleep sanctuary. Limit screen time before bed. The blue light emitted from electronic devices can interfere with melatonin production, a hormone that regulates sleep. Avoid screen time for at least an hour before bed to promote better sleep. By prioritizing sleep and incorporating these habits into our daily lives, we can harness the brain's overnight shift, transforming fleeting experiences into lasting memories and unlocking our full cognitive potential.